Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. And the question which we have right now to be solved is this. It says that there is a cylindrical bucket of 32 centimeter high and the radius of the base is 18 centimeter. And that's filled with sand, right? So now this bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. The height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter. Find the radius and the slant height of the heap. Now that's very simple, because what we need to then do is we need to simply we understand the volume of the sand which is there in the bucket is equal to the volume of the conical heap, right? So first we will find out the radius, and with the help of radius and the height we will also find out the slant height of the heap. Now let's first establish the base relationship, and the base relationship is that the volume of the conical heap is equal to the volume of the sand in the bucket, right? And we know that the bucket shape is cylindrical, so we can get the volume of the sand by applying the cylindrical formula, right? So now let's put the formula here, and that's pi r square h, right? And this is pi and r square. Now r here is the radius of the base is 18 centimeters, so that's like multiplied by 18 because that's the square, and the height is 32 centimeters, so we write here as 32. Now this side we are going to write the formula for the conical heap, right? And that's going to be pi r square h. Now this h is this r, suppose let's write it like capital R, because that's what it will denote for the cone. So now we can say that the r square is equal to, and here pi gets cancelled with pi, so that's very simple, and here we have 18 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 32, and 3 comes here from this side, right? And then the whole thing gets divided by the height of the cone, and the height of the cone is 24 centimeter. So we put it like this, 24, right? So let's start simplifying this. This is like 8 by 8, it is 4, and by 8 this is 3, so 3 gets cancelled here. Now r square is going to be, it's like r is equal to 18 multiplied by 18, and if we just simplify it, so this is going to be like this. Therefore r is going to be 18 multiplied by 2, so that's like 36 centimeters. Now that's the radius of the cone, right? So this is what it is. Now we need to find out the slant height also. Now it is very simple again. We know the slant height of any cone is equal to, the relationship is like L square is equal to R square plus H square. Now R is 36, so this is like 36 square plus H. H is 24, so that's like 24 whole square. So the square of 36 is, we'll just find it out quickly. We'll have to take the help from the calculator. So that's 1296 and plus this is 576. So let's add both of them. So that's going to be 1296 plus 576, so that's like 1872, right? So this is L square, and now to calculate L we can simply square root 1872. So that's going to be, let's just quickly find this out. Yeah, it'll take a minute. So that's like 43.26 approximately. So I'm going to write this 43.26, and that's going to be in centimeters. So that's the slant height of the conical heap, right? So I hope you could understand this very simple question. It just needs some calculations, that's all. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.